2. B is equal to minus 3. C is equal to 5. Very good, Zora. So you will write now B square minus 4AC. Discriminate. So B square is what? Very good, Shashi. B square is minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5. Bharat, no Bharat. कितने बार किया? 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So 9 minus 40, how much you will get? 9 minus 40, how much you will get? 9 minus 40 is minus 31. So because it is a negative value, so you should say what? No real roots. And no headache of finding any roots also. Finish. That's it. No real roots. Came 4 to the, this is 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. Anita, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. You should be fast now. You can't be slow. Soumya, right? Very good, Soumya. Chalo, anybody else who got fast? Soumya is the one girl who got right answer. Yes, Shweta, always discriminate formula to find out the nature of root. There is only one option. No Afan, not, yeah, Afan equal root, but you should find the roots also. Reem, you should find the root also. Bharat, you should find the roots also. So very good girls and boys. Very good Chetan. So you will write again. Now you will see the screen. Anita, Pooja is there or no? X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, right, Pooja. So a value is 3. Sanjana Patil, b is equal to minus 4 root 3. C is equal to 4. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3, c is equal to 4. Apply the formula. B square minus 4ac is equal to. So b square is what here? B square value is what? B square is minus 4 root 3 whole square. So minus 4a into c. Okay. So this minus 4 square will get 16. Root 3 square will get 3 minus 648. So 16 3s are 48 minus 48. We will get b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If you get a 0 answer, then Shweta, what is the nature of root? If you very good, Sora, no, 2 root, yeah, correct, Sora. 2 by root 3. Okay, right, Shalini, very good. Right, very good. 2 distinct root, Nama, 0 will get Shweta then. If you get 0, then you should say 2, yes, correct, 2 equal real roots. So as you got real roots, so you should find out those roots also. You should find out those roots. So let us find out those roots. Everybody listen now. You will use the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay. Now that much steps will not come. Don't worry. X is equal to minus b, nothing but minus into minus. Minus into minus will get 4 root 3 plus or minus. B square minus 4ac, just now we got the value. What is the value of b square minus 4ac? We got b square minus 4ac value 0. Just we got above b square minus 4ac value is 0. Whole divided by 2 into 3. So what you can do, one thing you can make sure that listen here. If you get x is equal to minus b by 2a, you should write. When b square minus 4ac, if you get 0, if you get this 0, then you make formula minus b by 2a. Don't write this much big plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac and whole divided by 2a instead of this. However, this will be 0, correct? So what is the formula you will get? Minus b by 2a. This formula directly write down next time. Okay, when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, this formula you should write down directly. You can write down. Understood? Okay, directly your time will be saved and correct answer also will get without any headache. Okay, everybody. So x is equal to 4 root 3. 4 root 3 plus or minus 0 means 0 only, divided by 6. So if you want, you can cancel your, if you want, you should cancel 2 2s are and 2 3s are. So you can write the answer now. What? X is equal to 2 root 3 by 3 and another answer x is equal to 2 root 3 by 3. Both answer you should write. If you want to simplify further, you can simplify also. Correct now? Minus 4 into a into c. C is 1 by 3. This 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. Minus 2 square will get 4. Minus 4. Answer will get 0. So if you get 0, you know what will the, yes Arun, right answer. Shalini, see, if you get b square minus 4ac, if you get 0, you should write, if you write this much, 2 equal real roots. If you write this much, you will be given 1 mark. You will be given 1 mark. Okay, next part if you do, another 1 mark. Right, Akila? Next part if you do, you will get another 1 mark. Total 2 marks question is. If you don't write this statement also, for example, if you don't write this statement also, they will cut the mark. So each and everything is important here. So I told you, when you get b square minus 4ac 0, then you can write down x is equal to minus b by 2a. Don't write that much big formula. Simple thing you do, simple. X is equal to. Whenever you get 0, you do this formula. Because however, this will be 0 only now. Why do you do that? If you want, you can write down, okay? Minus nothing but will get here minus into minus plus 2 will get divided by 2 into 3 will get. So we got 2 by 6. Answer we will get 2 by 6. Nothing but 2 1s are 2 3s are. So x is equal to 1 by 3. One answer. Another answer also 1 by 3. Two same roots. You see 2 equal. Equal got or no? Equal got or no? Minus b by 2a. Right, Tabriz? Arey yaar, b is minus, but minus into minus will become plus na, Shweta. You will not practice fast. X is equal to minus b by 2a, right? So x is equal to minus. This is minus, right now, Shweta? And b value is what, ma, Shweta? Minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 into 3. What will become minus into minus, Shweta? Tell me now. Yes, Jora, if you take LCM also, you will get right answer. So directly you learn now. Like this, directly right now then. When you know, directly should practice this thing, you should improve. When by practicing only we can do faster. So many sums will do now, then we should think how I can make it faster. Zora, you can do by using LCM method also. Surely you will get the answer. I'm damn sure. You should get. And I think you got the answer. Yes or no? Okay, Soumya, right? You were ready with this textbook question, right? Yeah, okay, Zora, right. Very good. Hey, no, Afan, no equal roots. Directly how you will say, man? Utta bhi fast mat kar. Chetan, Shashidhar, Anirudh. Yes, Reem, right answer. Soumya, right, good. Anita, very good. Come on, Tejashwini, Pooja, Mansa, Miss Kalmal, Mallika. Where are the answers? No, no, Zora, no, no, no. It's a real root. Real roots are there, Zora. See, check where you did. Reem, right answer. Pooja, come on, yaar. Yes, Akila, right answer. Go for the roots fast. Improve the speed of calculation. Or 12. 12 is right answer. Sheila, right answer. Yes, Sumera. B square minus 4AC is equal to. So B square is nothing but minus 6 square 4 into 2 into 3. So minus 6 square is right answer, Sneha. 36 minus 24. You will get B square minus 4AC is equal to 36 minus 24. How much you will get, Shweta? Shalini? 12, right? Right, Sanjana, very good. Sanjana Patil, very good, Mallika, very good. Now we will go for right, Shweta. Now we will go for formula method. Right, Bharat, let's see. Don't message now, I'm just doing the sum. X is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC whole divided by 2A. Now don't take that formula. Minus B by 2A you will take where? And you will be sitting with that. You will not get answer C. It will get only for 0. When B square minus 4AC is 0, then only you will get. Minus into minus plus 6 will get. Shweta understood why plus 6 are no again. Here B square is nothing but, you know, B square minus 4AC value already we got. What is the value of B square minus 4AC is the 12. So no need to do anything, just write down here 12. Whole divided by 2 into A. 2 into A is nothing but 2 into 2. So X is equal to, chalo, very good, you girls and boys are doing good. Plus or minus, here root 12 is a root 12, you will write, how you will write root 12, you will write 4 3s are. 4 3s are nothing but you can write 2 root 3. So that's what I am going to write. Whole divided by 4. Understood or no, ba? Understood or no? So here I can take now X is equal to 2 common, 3 plus or minus root 3 by 4. So cancel it now. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. You will get the answer X is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2. One answer. Another answer will get X is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 2. Finish. 3 plus root 3 by 2, 3 minus root 3 by 2. Reply in the app only, Mallika, Anita. Alright, sure, no mistake was there earlier. You should write here 2 distinct real roots. Okay, because positive answer we got, so distinct real roots. This one I will show you now. Tanushri, are you there? Tanushri not replying one message also. B is equal to that you should think, Chetan. What you should do, you should see.